Lucas is helping me put away the groceries. He's building a tower out of yogurt. Yeah? Oh, really? Say cheese. Good job. Oh! You gonna build it again? Put it in there. Can you put it in the fridge for me? Put it away. Put it away. Lucas. Lucas. Put it in the fridge for me. Put them away. Here, come on. Help Mama. See, let's put it away. Okay. He doesn't want to put the yogurt away. You have to get more out? What? Oh, why are we taking them out? At least they're up right now. Uh-oh. Boom! Wow! You have to get one more?
Yeah.
Okay, enough is enough. Let's put them away. And that would be the start of a temper tantrum. Say cheese. Look, come here, look at Mama. Say cheese. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say bye. Lucas.
Hi.
Say bye.
Hi.
Bye. Say bye.